How to sign in into Temu account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can sign in into Temu account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Temu application. If you have not installed it yet, you could simply install it from the Google Play Store. After you open up the application, you'll be taken into home page. Now to sign in, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this home page, then tap on the U icon. Here, tap on the sign in or register button at the top of the interface. Now you will land on this interface. If you have created your account with Google account, you could continue with Google. If not, you could also continue with Facebook, email, or with phone number. Now to continue with email, tap on continue with email, then you have to enter your email address. Once done, tap on continue. And on the next step, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. Once you're done with that, tap on sign in button, and if you have entered your correct login credentials, you'll be logged in into your Temu account, and then you can start shopping. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.